Hello friend, what's up guys? Hope you will find there and find here coming with a 5 words vocabulary related to the sports. So first word in our list is athlete. So the meaning of athlete in English, an athlete is a person who competes in one or more sports that involve physical strength, speed and etc. Or athlete means a person who having fit body and play sports and knowing many skills related to sports. So the meaning of athlete in Urdu is khiladi. So let's make a sentence by using the word athlete. There are numerous athletes we have seen last night in the ground. The second word in our list is captain. So in drum sport, captain is a title given to a member of team, or captain means a person who leads a particular sports team, who orders his teammate to do something. That's called a captain, means kaptan. So let's make a sentence by using the word captain. Mr. Akram used to be the great captain of his school team. He leads his school team to the final of the Karachi tournament. The third word in our list is a sledging. It's a very familiar common word using in cricket, especially the cricket lovers know the word sledging. So let's make us come to the meaning of sledging. Sledging is a term used in cricket to describe the practice whereby zone players seek to gain an advantage by insulting or verbally giving stress to the opposition player. Or sledging means to tease another sportsman or to hostile team to disturb him and get a benefit. So let's make a sentence by using the word sledging. In Ashes 2015, we saw the sledging between Mitchell Johnson with Peterson and many more of Kamran Akmal and other teams. So the fourth word in our list is sportsmanship. Sportsmanship means to show respect to hostile opponent, to opposite opponent, shows respect and care to other. So let's make a sentence by using the word sportsmanship. The numerous sportsmanships we have observed in the cricket, especially in cricket. Fifth word in our list is award. Award means a reward to give a winning team. It's also a World Cup or ICC Champions Trophy or a FIFA Cup or etc. These kinds medal also the award. So let's make a sentence by using the word award. After every 4 years, when any team defend or win first time or another time Cricket World Cup, the award like ICC Cup given to that team, especially to the captain. So I think it's end of our video. Let's wrap our video.